Welcome to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes for longevity. Thanks for always coming back here. God bless you. In today's video, I want to show you a recipe that will help you maintain the health of your liver. This recipe will help you to cleanse your liver, detoxify the liver. You know, the liver has been doing a great job. The liver detoxifies all the other organs of the body. On its own self, it needs to be cleansed. So this recipe I'm going to show you today will help you clean your liver and keep it in sound health. So follow me and let's go into making this juice. There are only two ingredients we need for today's recipe, and that is ginger and beetroot. Ginger and beetroot, they are the only two ingredients we need for today's recipe. We are going to clean the beetroot. We'll clean the beetroot like this. All right, so we dice the beetroot. Dice the beetroot this way. Dice it. And then we dice the ginger. Cut. All right. We'll add water and blend. So filter it. All right, so the recipe is ready. Take this juice in the morning every day before food, at least for 3 days, and you will help your liver. It will detoxify your liver and keep it healthy and working very well again. God bless you and see you in my next video. Please, if you are new, kindly subscribe, like this video and share with your friends, and make sure you keep enjoying this recipe. Wow. Bye bye.